Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to this kind of new method that we have online class. Alright, but don't worry, it is going to be as fun as what we have in class. Alright, with no further ado, let's start today's lesson. It's about review, right? Okay. So, the first thing that we are going to talk about, it is about preposition, especially about indoor location. Right. For this topic, do you still remember some of the vocabularies? Can you please mention at least 5? Right. The common one that you usually mention is on. Still remember? On the table, for example. In. Above. Do you still remember above? What does it mean? Right. Under. Above and under are the antonyms. Right? Beside. What is the synonym of beside? Still remember? Near and next to. Okay? But don't forget, beside is different with behind. Do you get it? Well, if you forget, you can just open again your book and try to find the meaning. Behind. Okay. What else? Between. Between. It means that there are two things, right? For example, the air conditioner remote control is between my books. Don't forget, because it is between two things, so we have to put S on the word books. The air conditioner remote control is between my books. In front of. You cannot say in front only, but you have to make it complete. In front of. Another thing here, right? Next to. Okay. The same thing here, in the corner of. Do you remember the meaning? In the corner of. For example, I cry in the corner of my room. Right? Okay. Let's continue. Now, before we have talked about the vocabularies, it is time for us to see how to put the vocabularies in sentences. Okay, this is the example. Okay, I will give you some pictures and you have to answer. Decide the position of the books. Okay, let's see one. Here, where are the books? Okay, so we know the answer. The books are beside the cup. The books are next to the cup. The books are near the cup. You know, because these three words are similar. Next, Where are the books? Between two things, so the answer is the books are between the cups. Because there are many books and there are two cups. So don't forget to put S here. And S also in the end of the word cup. Now let's change the object. Let's talk about the cup. Okay? Where is the cup in this picture? Ooh, where is it? Still remember the vocab that we talked about? The cup is under the books. Okay? What about this one? The antonyms of under is above. The cup is above the books. Remember, above and on is different. If on, it sticks to the surface. But above, it means it floats. Alright? It doesn't stick to the surface. Right? You can see there is a space here. It means that it floats. But if the cup sticks to the book, then we can make a sentence. The cup is on the books. Do you get it? Ooh, now it's our discussion section. If you still have any questions, please go to our WhatsApp group or our Zoom meeting. The meeting code has been shared in the WhatsApp group. Okay, now we have done the discussion. Let's start with practice. Please access bit.ly. The address has been shared in the WhatsApp group too. Now we continue to our next topic. It's about preposition outdoor. Alright, well, there are some vocabularies that are same, right? So again, can you mention at least 5 vocabularies which are related to preposition outdoor location? Okay, let's start. See, we have on also. Can you give me example? Well, Lembaga Bahasa is on Kejayaan Street. Don't forget the to be here is. Sometimes we miss it, but we are not going to do that anymore. Okay, so put is the to be on Kejayaan Street. Next to. Okay, across from. You know, you cannot say you cannot mention it only across, but it is a unity. You have to say it across from. Okay, across from. Can you give me example? Or can you think of a place that can be described using across from? Toko Merah is across from Sanata Dharma Auditorium. Opposite. It's the same, right? It's similar. Next. near. Remember, there are three words which are similar with near, right? Beside and next to. Now, between, still the same, right? On the corner. It's different with in the corner a little bit. If it is in the corner, it means that it is in a room. Okay? You talk about a room, so you say in the corner. But for this topic, it's about outdoor. So usually we talk about street. For street, it is outside, so we can use on. Okay? Don't forget, we cannot just say corner, but we have to make it complete. So we say on the corner. Continue. This is the exercise. Let's do this together. Okay, we put it into sentence. First one, let's talk about library. Please describe library. The library is on Main Street. What about on the corner? Can we do that? Please write down your answer and we will discuss it. Next. Grocery store. What can we say about this place? The location especially. Grocery store is next to the bank, right? You can see it here. This one, grocery, next to the bank, is beside the bank, is near the bank. Don't say near to the bank, wrong. You have to say it near the bank. Okay. What about the bank? What can we talk about this? The bank is between the bakery and grocery store. Next, parking lot. What can we say about this? Okay. It is next to the library. Very good. Continue. Shopping mall. What can we say about this? The shopping mall is opposite the park. Okay. We can have other ways to describe this. So please mention it in the discussion forum after this. Okay. Create other sentences. Okay, it's time for discussion. We can use Zoom or WhatsApp group if you want to talk. Okay, let's use Zoom meeting. But if you want to do the chat, then you can use WhatsApp group. You can also send the video. Now, practice time. Please do the exercises on the same bit.ly address. Okay. If you have questions during your work, please do share it on the WhatsApp group. Now we reach another part, the last part that we are going to talk about today, past tense. Still remember past tense? If you think about past tense, what comes to your mind? Past verb form. You know, we usually call it verb dua. Okay, can you mention some vocabularies? In past verb forms, still remember? Yeah, it ends with ed. For example, walk, studied, stayed. Right, let's continue. Simple past tense indicates that an activity or situation began and ended at a particular time in the past. Right? Because the name is past tense, so it must happen in the past. There are two types. The first one, we use it was or were in a sentence. If the sentence is using noun, adjective, or adverb. But if we can find verb, so please put ed. Or sometimes it is irregular. It means it's different. It's exceptional. Okay? For example, eat, ate, and then go, when. Alright? What about in a sentence? I think it's gonna be clearer, right? The picnic was fantastic. We use was here because can you find any verb? No, right? No verb. Fantastic is an adjective. No verb in the sentence, so we use was. Continue. I was with Mary and her family yesterday. Any verbs? No. She was in the bedroom all day last weekend. She was so lazy. Right? Where is the verb? No, in the bedroom. We can find here in the bedroom. It is an adverb. Very good. What about the verb? How can we find it? I went to my friend's house yesterday. Where is the verb? Exactly. When. Right? We ate noodle together last night. Where is the verb? Ate. From the verb eat. We change it into ate because it is past tense. Last one. They wrote the book last year. Where is the past verb form? It is wrote. From the verb write. Very good. Write. Okay. Excellent. So now, as usual, okay, we are going to do the discussion. Right. I hope that everything is clear and no more question. Now let's start with the exercise. Please now do the exercise on Bitly.